Now that Stax is receiving your incoming documents, let's take a look at what you can do within a stack. In this video, I'll show you all the actions you can perform in a stack.
So here we are in my stacks. The first thing I'm going to do is show you what this little icon does. Right now, we're in grid view. If we click here, that'll take us to list view. Here in list view, we can see how many files a certain stack has and the last time that a stack received a file. Let's go back to grid view. We're going to use this search bar here to do a search. We're going to type in Narendran. That's Naru's first name. Here we can see all the results. There's going to be multiple results within one document, and you can see the line containing the word shown right here. All these results are in the billing stack. That's currently the only stack that we have with documents. Let's clear this. If we right-click on a stack, we can see these different options. First one is we can open the stack. The next one is we can open this stack in a new tab. And this last option is we can upload to this stack. By clicking this, it will take you to right here where you can add more documents to this stack. Let's go into the billing stack. Here we have the same icon for the grid and list view that we saw in the other one, except in this one, the list view will show you how the document was received, when it was received, and when it was last modified. You can sort the documents by these headers as well. You can also click Document Name to sort alphabetically. Let's go back to grid view. Let's use the search bar again. We're going to look for Atlassian. Here at the top are documents that actually have the word Atlassian in the name. And here at the bottom, you can see every document that has Atlassian within it. Now let's see what else we can do with documents. Let's right-click on this document. Here we can preview the document. This will show you a pop-up and show you what it is. We can open the document. We can open it in a new tab. We can download it, which will download it as a PDF. We can mark it as urgent. This is going to put it in the urgent folder in my stacks. We can mark it as read, which will give it a little check mark, and it won't show up in the not yet reviewed folder in my stacks. We can print it, we can rename it, we can archive it, and we can delete it. Let's rename it. If you triple click on the title here, it'll select it all so we can rename it. Click Enter to save. Now we have this document selected. You can keep selecting documents by clicking them. And you can hit the Escape button on the keyboard to deselect all. Another keyboard shortcut is hitting Ctrl-A, and that will select everything. And if you want to unselect a single one, click it. Now let's see the different group settings that we have. Right-click here. We can mark all of these as read, we can mark them all as unread, we can print all of them, we can archive all of them, and we can delete all of them. Let's archive all of them. Always remember that you can click the I here for help if you ever need help.